With the aim to create awareness about hearing-related problems, 3rd of March is observed as World Hearing Day every year.
The theme for this World Hearing Day this time is Action for Hearing Loss, Make a Sound Investment. The first pickup of the hearing loss is done in small children when he's born. A newborn should be investigated immediately after birth for any hearing loss. And this is called the Universal Hearing Screening Program. Right at birth, there are two investigations which are required. One is otoacoustic emission and second is ABR, auditory brainstem evoked response audiometry. This will pick up the hearing loss right at birth and help in rehabilitating a child who is having a severe hearing loss or profound hearing loss by way of either putting the hearing aid right at birth or as early as possible, or in some very profound hearing loss patients doing a cochlear implant.
Age-related hearing loss is also a major concern that needs to be addressed. It is important to identify the hearing loss at an early stage and take appropriate treatment.
The second group of patients who usually require the hearing evaluation are elderlies beyond 60, 70 years of age. Our hearing keeps going down, and you must have seen that at 75 years of age, many people have got some amount of hearing loss, which needs to be rehabilitated by way of fitting the hearing aids. Especially for the young adults, it is important when they listen to music that they listen at a low volume. And in case they have to listen at a high volume, then they should give some interruption in between while listening to the loud music.
Avoiding listening to loud music and repetitive exposure to loud sounds, along with creating a sound-free environment, may help in prevention of hearing-related problems. Kiran Bhardwaj, DD News.